G'day guys, my name's Dave from DT Unboxed, and in this video I'm going to be doing a review of the Renpho Smart Scale. Now I bought this off Amazon for about 40 bucks and I must say I'm quite impressed with how it's performed so far. At that price I was expecting a sort of half-baked product that had a shoddy sort of app, but I'll tell you what, I'm pleasantly surprised. Now the reason why I'm so surprised is because it's so easy to set this up with the Smart app. A lot of times, a lot of lower priced smart devices connect terribly to apps and whatnot. But with this, I downloaded the app on my phone. I didn't even need to go into the Bluetooth settings to connect to it. I set up a guest account and then it instantly started recording my weight right to my phone. I didn't need to do any connecting or anything like that. It just worked. And that rarely happens. So that's why I'm pretty happy with how it's performed so far. I have an iPhone, so of course it might be a little bit of a different case with Android, but I'll show you how it works in the video and then you can make up your own mind. Now I will note that this actually measures body fat percentage as well, which is pretty cool. Now this scale measures weight, of course, but it also measures body fat percentage, which is pretty cool. The way it does this is using these conductive points. So this will only work if you're barefoot. If you're wearing shoes, it won't work. These conductive points will send a very, very tiny electrical current. Now, you can't even feel it, so don't be worried about getting shocked, up your leg. Now, your body fat percentage will affect the resistance of that current up your foot, and therefore that's how it's gonna calculate that reading. Now, these type of readings aren't 100% accurate, but they do give you a rough indication, so that's another cool feature of this particular scale. Now this particular model just runs off 3 AAA batteries up the back here. So it's very easy to get started. Batteries are included. I know there is a model that is USB powered, but honestly, AAA batteries, you can get rechargeable AAA batteries anywhere. But anyway, now I'm gonna run through a couple of measurements and how it interacts with the actual app. All right, so once you download the app, you'll be able to create a profile. So it'll basically just ask you for your age, your height, and your birthday. Now you can sign up to an account and it'll store that data in the cloud, or you can just use the app as a guest, which is what I've done. And it stores all the information on your phone. Now this also connects with Apple Health as well. So you can track your weight using Apple Health. And it also integrates with Fitbit and other health apps like that as well. But basically I'll jump on the scale now. It should read 64.6. And on the app, you'll see that come through as well, which is great. And it's as simple as that. It just works, which is awesome. Now, as I mentioned before, that you don't need to go into the Bluetooth and settings and do anything really. You just need your Bluetooth on and it just automatically connects, which is great. You can see over here, it also gives the body fat percentage estimation, which is cool. And you can also pick a goal if you want. So you can, within the app, you can pick a target. Let's say I want to lose some weight and I want to get to, 63 or whatever, for whatever reason, and like a low body fat percentage. Then if you go into trends, then it will show you where your goals are and it'll track your progress day by day on a chart. Obviously I just got one data point here, so it doesn't look like much of a graph, but it's cool for tracking progress. So it's pretty easy to use. There's a lot of functionality to it, a lot of data. So if you're someone who really likes to track this sort of thing, then it's a great scale. Very, very simple to use. And again, one more time, and I'll just hold something else to add a bit more weight. And I'll just send that to my app. There you go, 64.9. Really, really simple to use. And there you have it. So I hope you guys have enjoyed this review of the Renpho Smart Scale. Now in the box, it doesn't come with much, so that's why I didn't do an unboxing. It's just the scale and this instruction manual, which is quite handy as well. At devices at this price point, I would expect really jumbled, bad instructions, but this is a good instruction booklet. So pretty happy with this purchase. It works great and I would highly recommend it. Thanks guys. Be sure to hit that like button, hit subscribe, and I'll see you guys next time on DT Unboxed. Cheers.